actually a Suzuki lover. The Suzuki Fronx makes my daily drive easier when I go to different places because it's very fuel efficient.
Fronx very fuel efficient talaga. Yung travel ko doon sa isang sasakyan ko, siguro doble yung nagagastos ko kumpara dito sa Suzuki Fronx ko. Less stress because of the very compact yung design and slick. So sa parking, hindi ako nahihirapang mag-park. And Suzuki Fronx helped me a lot.
Yung Fronx kasi naramdaman ko talagang yung suspension niya ang ganda. So pumupunta ako sa mga bundok. Talagang maganda yung comfort niya.
Iba yung feeling ng comfort na nabigay ni Fronx sa akin. Kaya sobrang happy ako na naging maganda yung decision ko choosing Suzuki Fronx.
Suzuki Fronx helps my family to go places safely. Ano siya, simple but classy.
Siyempre, yung looks niya, given na yung car na binili ko is just a base model, meron na rin siyang Apple CarPlay and Android Auto na wireless, meron din siyang back camera. So, I think value for money, tsaka yung quality ng sasakyan.
Nasasabi ko na practical siyang gamitin yung Fronx. Yung charger niya nakakatuwa. Hindi na kailangan magdala ng charger. Papaano mo lang doon yung phone mo.
Marami rin po talagang magandang features and very safe siyang gamitin since lagi siya nagbibigay ng warnings. So yung head-up display nakakatulong siya kasi mas madali mo nang makikita yung information na yun and mas makakapag-focus ka sa daan.
Talagang wala akong masasabi at ako'y talagang natutuwa sa kanyang performance, feature. Hindi ako kinakabahan na long drive siya.
For daily life, it was a easier choice to use the car itself kasi pabalik-balik po ako sa school. Weekdays po ako usually nandun and it's compact and it's easier to feel the road itself, which is perfect for my liking.
So, when we got our Fronx, talagang napadali. And since it's fuel efficient nga, kahit mataas yung gasolina ngayon, talagang walang problem sa amin mag-ikot sa community and sobrang comfort talaga niya. For me, Suzuki Fronx represents growth and independence, and it also represents the life that I'm trying to build for my family.
When I look at Suzuki Fronx, for me, it represents success. Suzuki Fronx has been my lifesaver because as a virtual assistant, it has enabled me to work anywhere by driving everywhere.